away fast so he doesn't hit me. But so we landed safely in Copenhagen. Just getting a bite to eat and good old Burger King, what we know, and then we're jumping a plane at 3 o'clock to Gdansk and head to our hotel, and then go get our tickets. We can head to the show at before 10 p.m. and get our VIP tickets. So next plane it is. Yeah buddy, one more plane. Let's go baby. Let's go. So we've made it to Gdansk. I keep saying Verdansk because I'm playing Call of Duty too much, but we've made it to our apartment that we need to go into. It's number 6 that we need to find. We're gonna head in, get our apartment and dump off the bags, head down to where we need to go and get our VIP tickets, pick them up. So Teletubby, say bye bye.
Yep.
Welcome to my crib. We're gonna go over here for a walk because there's a few nice cars over there. Lovely E36 coupe down there with an LWT wing with lovely wheels, Marty. Look at that thing, it's gorgeous. We'll zoom in on it. Lovely E36 wagon over there. There's an E34 wagon over there. Look at that thing. Drive by, Marty. Lovely colour, very nice. So myself and Martin, we're going to take a walk over to the docks there, have a look. A lot of nice cars over there, looks like. So we'll walk over there, then we go and get ourselves some beers, stick them in the fridge and chillax. The wife made me bring a hoodie with me, but it's 30 odd degrees so I don't need it. So welcome to my crib. I got the sofa bed, I opted for it. We have a nice kitchen, and Martin got the lovely bed because he's old and needs a comfortable bed. We're going to walk away fast so he doesn't hit me. But we're going to take a walk over and look at that E36 wagon because it's gorgeous.
And the E34.
And the E34 because Martin's a BMW whore. Good E36 wagon.
There's another one.
It's not bad, is it?
That thing's fucking sick.
There's a neat red E34 over there, the wagon. Beautiful. Now that was a beautiful E36 wagon, but we're walking over to a car that Martin is a big fan of, and especially because it's a wagon. E34, old school. It's 5 Series, isn't it?
Yeah.
5 Series wagon. Damn wheels, gorgeous. The discs on the back.
UK red as well.
Yeah, it's a lovely car. 520, very nice. Packed to the gills, just over on a good old holiday.
Dual roof.
Dual roof, yeah. It's lovely. Very nice. Lovely Audi. Very, very nice. And then we have this BMW just heading off. M2, it's pretty nice. Big spoiler on it. Very nice. The gram lights. All set up, ready to rock and roll. think we came over and queued at the exact right time. As you can see, oh my god, queue is literally down the road. Oh my god, it's down the road. So yeah, good timing. Worked out perfect for us. Happy days. Yeah, the queue is, oh my god, it's down the road. Happy days. Literally just caught this out of the corner of my eye. Lovely little Del Sol. Lovely. That's beautiful. So we have big bus, and then we have small bus. Look at the size of this little thing. Nummy nummy.
This looks good now, how fast this does.
Right, boys and girls, we're all fed. We're fat and happy. Martin's
I'm always fat.
Martin's just fat. We're gonna head and get some groceries for breakfast in the morning, and then the real video starts tomorrow. Oh, what's that? Is that an Alpina? Sorry, just BMW brain. Martin has my foggy BMW brain going on non-stop. So this was just like a little intro video for what's coming next. So come back for the next video and we'll yeah, that's lovely. That sounded like a fake dump valve, but anyhow, lovely E39 on BBS there. Actually pretty nice. They're just, yeah, they're everywhere. E39s, E36s, E46s, M60. What's so special about an M60?
The frozen blue.
It's gorgeous, yeah. What a size of them brakes. Like, considering the tyres, they're 22s. So them brakes are massive. So yeah, peace out. See you in the next video.
Put the wristbands off for a few minutes.
On 3, we're going for it. Go.
Oh yeah.
We literally pointed out the Martin. I thought that was a Skyline 4-door, but an E34. We'll zoom into it. It's pretty nice.